Hi and welcome to a new video. Today we are at a very special place. We are at the login place for Swietelsky rail, and we are going to be heading towards a machine that is responsible for renewing rail and rail sleepers and ballast. So we are currently here to get our vests, our helmets and our safety shoes, and we are going to be going to the workplace where this machine is running. So let's go check in and then we'll head there. So we are currently heading towards the town of Kuik, which has the RUS 1000S. It's currently being set up to go to work there, and yeah, we are following the one that's going to be guiding us towards the machine. I gotta say, it's quite interesting to be able to go and see a machine up this close. So this is a very special occasion to be allowed to see this machine up close, because normally you're not allowed to be up close with these machines because, well, you're on the tracks or next to the tracks, and that's why we have special permission to go and see this machine. So we have arrived at Kuik station, and as you can see, the first rail portal has been already placed. This is where the RUS is going to be performing its work, and this is the place where we're going to be starting with the work that the RUS is going to be doing. So we are currently at the job site next to the station of Kuik, and we are going to be heading to the machine. So we are currently at the job site where we are going to be looking at the machine. As you can see, the machine is right there. So we are currently waiting to be able to go to the machine. What the machine is currently doing is the sleepers that are under the rail are going to be renewed. So the current ones don't allow vibrations to be filtered out. The new ones will be able to filter out the vibrations. So that's the reason why this machine is working here right now. And we're just waiting on a person to lead us into the work site. So here she is. This is the locomotive that is going to pull it when it's not under its own power, and that way is the way where the machine itself is working. So that's where we're going to be heading now, and it's going to be a bit loud, so bear with us. So we are currently standing next to the carriages that house the old rail sleepers. So the sleepers that are picked up out of the existing track are placed on this train. There's a crane on this train that transports the old sleepers to these cars, and these people that are working there are securing them onto the cars to make sure that they obviously don't fall off. And these sleepers are not going to waste. They are actually going to be reused at other sections of this project. So as you can see here, these are the new sleepers, and underneath here, this black pad that you see, these are the pads that will ensure that the vibrations in the track are going to be absorbed more, which makes for a smoother journey and less people that are complaining. there she is, the RUS 1000S, the machine that renews all the tracks in the Netherlands and in the whole area of Europe. This whole machine is a 60 million euro machine that renews all the tracks in Europe, and it's basically a factory on wheels. So we are back at the front of the RUS 1000S. This is where the whole adventure started. I even got a little souvenir, a piece of railroad from the Maasline. We're now going to be heading back to the depot where we started, where we got our passes and stuff. And then this will be the end of this video. So we are back at the check-in place. We are going to turn in our jackets and our helmets, and then after that we are going to be heading off. So this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.